Welcome to Trendy Review, where we cut through the noise to bring you the most powerful tools for your workshop. In this video, we're slicing into the top 3 best miter saws of 2025, precision machines designed for professional carpenters, DIY enthusiasts, and everyone in between. These saws combine laser-guided accuracy, brushless motor power, and smart dust collection to make every cut flawless. Whether you're framing a house, crafting furniture, or tackling weekend projects, we've tested the best blades and tech to keep your work sharp and efficient. For more information and update pricing, check the links in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates. Let's get started. Number 3, Bosch 18V 12 inches. Dual Bevel Glide Miter Saw. The Bosch GCM18V12GDCN is a premium cordless 12 dual bevel miter saw built into Bosch's powerful Profactor 18V platform. It sports the innovative axial glide system, an articulating arm design that allows wide crosscuts, smooth movement, and compact footprint, letting you place the saw right up against a wall without sacrificing range. Powered by the biturbo brushless motor and Bosch Core 18V battery, it delivers corded-level power capable of cutting through 4 times lumber and thick crown molding, while still supporting Eco mode for improved runtime. Paragraph 2. Performance and precision are its strong points. It offers excellent cutting capacity, up to 13.5 crosscuts and 3.5 depth, along with front access bevel controls and a laser guide for accurate setup. Reviewers consistently praise its smooth glide, square cuts out of the box, and sturdy build quality. Real users say it's jam-packed full of features, very accurate and powerful, and, hands down, the best miter saw on the market. The saw weighs about 59 pounds, tool only, heavier than competing models, and batteries/charger aren't included, but for professional finish carpentry or workshop use, its blend of cordless convenience, compact design, and high-end performance make it a top-tier pick for serious users. Number 2, Bosch GCM12SD Dual Bevel Sliding Miter Saw. The Bosch GCM12SD is one of the most popular 12-inch dual bevel sliding miter saws on the market, known for its unique axial glide system. Instead of traditional rails, it uses a hinged arm mechanism that saves space and delivers smooth, precise cuts. This feature allows the saw to sit closer to the wall without sacrificing cutting capacity. The saw is powered by a reliable 15-amp motor running at 3,800 RPM, giving it enough strength to handle everything from framing lumber to delicate crown molding. With a crosscut capacity of 14 inches horizontally and up to 6.5 inches vertically, it's versatile enough for both large projects and fine finish work. In everyday use, the GCM12SD earns high marks for accuracy and build quality. The saw's dual bevel feature allows you to tilt the blade both left and right, making compound cuts faster and easier without flipping your workpiece. It has front-facing controls for bevel and miter adjustments, making it more convenient than models with rear levers. While it doesn't come with a laser guide, most users find the clear-cut line indicator and smooth sliding action plenty precise. The saw weighs about 65 pounds, so it's best suited for a workshop or job site setup. If you're looking for a high-end, space-saving miter saw with excellent cutting accuracy and durability, the Bosch GCM12SD is a fantastic choice. Number 1, DeWalt Sliding Miter Saw. The DeWalt 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw is a trusted tool for professionals and DIYers who need power and precision. It runs on a 15-amp, 3,800 RPM motor, capable of making clean, accurate cuts through hardwood, framing lumber, and trim. With a 14-inch crosscut capacity and dual bevel capability, it handles complex angles without flipping your material. The standout feature is the cutline shadow system, providing a clear, accurate cut line without a laser. Miter and bevel adjustments are smooth and simple, while the solid construction ensures durability. Although its dust collection could be better, it captures most debris. Reliable, powerful, and precise, it's one of the best miter saws in its class. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. If you want to stay connected, follow me on mentioned social media handles. See you in the next.